With summer winding down, many of you might be focusing on some home improvement projects for the fall that you might have been putting off. Maybe one of those is a kitchen remodel. If you take the time to do it right, it will pay off in the long run. And with me this morning is a man whose company will do it right. Mike Washington from Ivy Lea Construction. Mike, good to see you.
Yeah, thanks for having us back.
All right, let's talk about kitchen remodels here and how Ivy Lea Construction does it the right way here. And let's talk about the start of the process. What's the process start with?
Yeah, well, you know, every house is, the kitchen's the hub of the house, right? So everything is going on through that kitchen. You know, it serves as sometime an office, obviously food preparation, homework. People are gathering. If you have a party, you ever go to a party, everyone is always in the kitchen. It's a gathering spot. And so it's really, truly the hub of the house. And, you know, we go in and really want to go through the needs assessment for each individual because everyone's different. Some people want a gourmet kitchen. Some people want more of an office and homework setting. Some people are really cooking there. And some people are like, hey, I just need everything new.
You know, I'm glad you mentioned the party thing, too, because I stopped cleaning the other rooms of the house and just the kitchen. All right, I'm kidding with that. Renderings. Let's talk about, you have a design team, right? They
Absolutely.
come in and they get some renderings done, and then what happens?
Yeah, we'll come out, we'll do a full assessment of what you need, and then we'll have you out right to our design center. Meg, our designer, is fantastic. She'll go through everything in your house, what you need, and then actually get you out and actually be able to, you know, you'll be able to work on the drawers, see how the cabinets are made, see what kind of countertops suit you, what the backsplash is going to be, what are the looks, the kitchen cabinet colors, the floor colors, the countertop colors, and then obviously the fixtures too.
Yeah, see some photos of some of the work that Ivy Lea Construction's done in kitchens. It looks amazing. You take everything down to the studs when you start, right?
We do. It's super important. Get all the way down to the studs, specifically in the kitchen. We find all sorts of electrical problems in kitchens. A lot of framing deficiencies we'll find in kitchens, but that's really the best way to go. Get all the way down to the studs and build it back up. That way we can get all our inspections done properly. If you're looking to change walls, change windows, change door openings, we get into all that. And that's really the time to do that.
I bet you found some creative wiring in some of these older homes in
Absolutely. Buffalo. Crazy wiring that is out there. But that's really why it's important to take it down.
Mike tells me that permits are important, so Ivy Lea Construction, you get all the permits that are needed,
do.
Right?
We pull all the permits, we get all the inspections done, electrical, plumbing inspections, any structural inspections we may need, and then you can start putting it all back together.
And you can help people in most budget range, right?
Absolutely. You know, we go from full gut kitchen, so we're doing everything, flooring, countertops, cabinets, but we'll go into a lot of kitchens and we'll just do countertops, backsplash, and floors. Cabinets are still in good shape, or the cabinets and the countertops are in good shape, and we'll do backsplash and floors. So we can do anything for everyone's budget.
And by the way, they do save things, old cabinets. You remove them carefully and you donate them, don't you?
Yeah, a lot of those go to Habitat for Humanity. We have a good partnership with them. They'll come right to the house, and that's a good donation for the homeowner and have another tax write-off, and you're helping other people out, which is great.
All right, that's fantastic there. Let's talk about financing. You have some options available.
Yeah, we still have some 0% financing for 2 years, then we have some 4.99 for 120 months, and we have all sorts of different plans we can help you out with.
All right, Ivy Lea Construction can help that home improvement project, whether it be a kitchen or interior, exterior. They can help all those needs. To find out more about all the services they offer, including beautiful kitchen remodels, head to their website at ivyleaconstruction.com. Give them a call, 875-8654. And remember, they have some great financing options for all of your home improvement projects, including that 24 months 0% financing.